Today's recipe is super easy and yummy! We will be making underground habitat cups. Do you know what underground habitat cups are?
No, I don't know.
Well, stay tuned to find out and learn how to make this delicious recipe with us.
When animals live and have their homes under the ground, this is called an underground habitat. Animals such as moles and ground squirrels live underground. So you will need 2 packets of Oreos, some gummy worms, some chocolate pudding, and clear cocktail plastic cups. This is a super easy, fun, and delicious dessert. So let's get started. Step 1. Crush the Oreo biscuits in a blender until it becomes a fine crumb and looks like dirt. Did you know that Oreos are one of the world's favorite biscuits? Step 2. Add a layer of the dirt to the bottom of the cups. Step 3. Now add a layer of the chocolate pudding with 1 gummy worm. Did you know that worms live in dirt? Step 4. Now add another layer of the dirt and another worm. Wow, it's so delicious! Wow!
That was so easy and it's such a yummy dessert!
Yummy!
Well, thank you so much for watching this video and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel! See you all next time!